Hey guys, it's Loy here, and this is a video technical analysis update for the end of May 2021. Since our last video, nothing really has changed. Uh, if you have a look at the daily chart, Bitcoin has just been ranging. Uh, Near the bottom, I had a few people panicking that Bitcoin was going to drop more, but having been trading for 15 years, I know that Bitcoin needs a dead cat bounce in order for renewed selling interest. The main reason is because there's not much sellers at this price anymore. So there's always sellers at any given time, but at this price, or at least at this RSI, uh, there's just more buying pressure than selling pressure. That's the reason why I'm expecting a dead cat bounce, because so in order for Bitcoin to drop more, it needs selling momentum. So in order to get more sellers in the market, you need this dead cat bounce, and it's a very common market move. So this is a AB equals CD pattern. Essentially, it just describes a zigzag, and the top of the D could be anywhere between the same length as AB or any Fibonacci extension of AB. So it could be 1.27 length of AB. Could even be as high as 1.61. So that's the reason why I don't know the exact top of this dead cat bounce, and that's the reason why I always give a range. So this is the current range for the top of this dead cat bounce, anywhere between 45 to even 50, maybe even 51. Like, this is where the wedge line is. Let me fix this wedge line to make it unbiased. There you go. It needs to intersect these two tops. So yeah, as you can touch as high as this blue line, but it's hard to say right now. But having said that, we're not buying any Bitcoin. We do have a Ethereum short-term Ethereum buy, which we'll get out at the top of the Ethereum dead cat bounce. Before I go to Ethereum, I just want to have a look at the monthly chart. So today is the last day of May, last trading day of May. Let me get rid of this. And if you haven't already noticed, look at that engulfing bearish candle. Even if today goes up a bit higher, like no matter what price Bitcoin goes up today, this is the last trading day for the month, it will close in a engulfing bearish candle. And what this strongly indicates is, if you haven't already believed, is Bitcoin has topped like 2 months ago. Literally, it has topped in mid-April, which we did call, and it did play out. So yeah, regardless where it closed today, there is, if you're going to be unbiased with the Bitcoin trend, the trend is quite clear right now. If it wasn't clear to you before, that we're in a new bearish long or midterm cycle. Okay, so let's have a look at Ethereum. So similar with Ethereum, the last week, since our last video, nothing has changed. Ethereum did a big range, and it did actually make a lower low, which some traders out there did panic. They thought it's going to crash, but obviously we knew better. We knew that same with Bitcoin, Ethereum needed needed consolidation. So what consolidation essentially means is the price needs to go back to the price, and the RSI needs to go back to its fair value or mean. For RSI, it's usually above 50, 50 to 60. That's when you start getting more sellers during a bear market. With price, you usually look at its exponential moving average, which is currently above 3,000. So the pattern again is the same as Bitcoin. It's a AB equals CD pattern, and the top of the D is similar with Bitcoin. It can range anywhere between the same length as AB or any Fibonacci extension ratio. It could be 1.27 or 1.61, but so that's our range. This was the same range as the first video I made from last week, but last week I did not give a range. I gave like the highest. So this would be a more better indication of where, like, the rough range of where the top could be. So the top could be, I would say, above right now. Most likely it will be above 3,000, and it could be plus or minus 3,400. So somewhere around here. It could be higher, it could be lower, but somewhere between 3,400 is when I plan to get out my Ethereum buy. We bought Ethereum around here, like did a bit of dollar cost average, and my average entry was 2,400, but we had some subscribers enter as high as 2,600. Some got it a bit lower at 2,000 or even 2,200, but we bought around here, and I'm expecting our trade to profit, and then we intend to short somewhere around here, probably the end of the first week of June or near the end. I don't know exactly right now, but I'll be posting in the Telegram channel as when we get there. And this video will be public on YouTube in a few days' time when we break this 3,000. So there you guys have it. Actually, before I wrap this up, let's have a look at the monthly chart of Ethereum. Let me get rid of this. So we got one more day, one more trading day to go. Today, Ethereum can go. I believe the monthly will most likely close in a bearish. They like to call it a shooting star, even though we got like a pin at the bottom as well. You can count it as a monthly bearish shooting star, which is obviously a bearish signal or a top signal. So I'm expecting today to go up, but it'll probably peak at somewhere at 2,700 or so. So we'll definitely get some sort of shooting star. Even if it's a doji, it's still bearish because of Bitcoin. And if you blow this out, you can see that we're in a new bearish trend, because this today would be this month will be the first bearish candle for Ethereum, whereas Bitcoin has already been. This is the second month. Ethereum is always 1 month late. As you can see, Ethereum topped 1 month later in 2018. So there you guys have it. If you like this video, give the video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more video, please subscribe to this channel, and remember to click on the bell icon so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and see you guys in the next video.